Hello friends, welcome to DBA World Tutorials. So next question is, what are the advantage of the ASM in Oracle? ASM is always high performance, provides automatic load balancings for all the available disks, thus reduce the hotspot in the file system, prevents the fragmentation of disks, so you don't need to manually relocate data tune IO performance. Adding disk is very straightforward. ASM automatically perform online disk reorganize when you add or remove the storage. Uses redundancy features available intelligent storage array. The next advantage, the storage systems can store all types of database files. Using the disk group, make configuration easier as a file are placed into a disk group. You can easily manage it. ASM provides stripping and mirroring also, so you don't worry about the mirroring functionality and other things. ASM and non-ASM files can be together. Like if you want to some type of files you can create on the file system, and some type of files you can create on the Oracle ASM. That also works in the Oracle ASM. So how the Oracle ASM instance work? The ASM instance manage and communicates the map where each file coexists reside. It also controls the process of rebalance, the placement, and the extent when the storage allocation is changed. Example, when a disk is added or the removed from the ASM, as an ASM instance uses only about the 64 MB for the SGA, like system global area, it requires a relatively small amount of system resource. In rack configuration, an ASM instance on each node in the cluster manage all disk groups of that node in coordinations with the other nodes in the cluster. The ASM instance create an extent map which has a pointer of each 1 MB extent of the data file is located. When the database instance creates open database file that is managed by the ASM. The database instance manages the ASM instance and the ASM returns the extent map for that file. From that point, the database instance perform all the IO calls of extent for the database instance to be updated. 1. Rebalancing of disk layout following the storage configurations, change or adding the drop and other things. Opening a new database files, extending existing database files when the table space is enlarged. That is how ASM is work. The next question is, what is the incarnation number in the Oracle ASM? Incarnation number is a part of ASM file name syntax. It is derived from the timestamp. Once the file is created, its incarnation number doesn't change. So that is the incarnation number of the ASM. What are the process does the rebalancing? RBAL and ARBN. These are the process are responsible for the do the load balancing. Thank you guys. That's it for the session. We will see another questions in another tutorial.